more. Keep it going. Alright. Alright, so they said they want to make sure the car's drivable, ready to go, and all that stuff. So you checked the lights yesterday, looked the whole car over.
Yes. I gotta tell them one thing though. I gotta convince them to take that air freshener out of there.
I smelled that.
It stinks.
Just what I thought. I gotta empty out a whole trunk. Alright, let's go. A blanket. What is that, a cat carrier? Fido ain't gonna be very happy. And a bike. All the other stuff. Didn't even get this in here. But I get the other stuff. What is that, roof tar? Display it on your face.
Yeah, stay back.
No stupid people beyond this point.
Leroy, you gotta stay there.
Alright, almost everything.
Party lights.
A broken shoe. Only one. This is the biggest little trunk I've ever seen.
Is that it?
A couple more things.
More? Alright. Is that it?
I think so. Nissan. What's Nissan? Why did you say Nissan? It's probably the wrong bolt pattern. I bet you anything.
Probably. I should imagine.
Yeah, but this thing was sticking up. It doesn't fit.
No, it doesn't.
It's supposed to have a donut. That's for that reason.
A what?
Well, a donut tire. A donut. A donut tire. Spare tire. It's this thin.
What's wrong with spare tire? Why do we have to call it donuts?
Because it has a spare tire that doesn't fit and it's too big and the floor's sticking out. It has a spare.
Well, is it pink? No.
It's called a donut.
Did it have sprinkles on it?
It's called a donut.
Does it have Boston cream in it?
You don't know, it's called a donut. Now we gotta buy one. Here, where's my wallet? Dunkin' Donuts is still open. Go. It's a joke.
Well,
and by the way, what is this?
Texas.
Porcupine neck.
It's all Texas.
This all has to go. Alright, come on. Where are we gonna get a spare? Go call the junkyards. It don't fit in there.
What?
What is that?
Spare tire.
What is that? Challenging, isn't it?
Yes.
What spare tire? How'd you know we need a spare?
The owner told me.
He knew this? Oh, well thank God. Where'd you get it?
Dorman.
Dorman makes spare tires?
Yeah.
I had no idea.
Wow.
Damn, bro, it's brand new. Woo! 50 miles an hour only. Well, all right, see, this will fit real nice in here.
Yeah, what is that?
There's a Q-tip in here. We're just gonna get rid of the Q-tip too. All right, go ahead, put it in.
Wow, that.
It said Jolly Ranchers if you could pick that up. Will you hurry up? What the heck is this thing? Another thing. What are they growing here and stuff? Look, there's another thing and another thing. And, all right, this you're gonna need.
Now we gotta put all this back in there. Pineapple.
All right. Peppers. Okay, we done? Let's go get back to what we were doing.
Yep.
What can I tell you? Taking over the
Better.
world.
No,
Oh,
angrier.
come on. Angrier. He says angrier. Damn it! Taking over the world!
One set of Dorman spare tires at a time.
Is that better?
No, more angry.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.